Hello students, we are doing chapter number 2 compound interest and today we will start exercise 2.3. In this exercise you will get problems based on growth and depreciations. Growth means when the value of any article increase or grow with time. Growth in 1 year we will call rate of growth. For example, if you have purchased gold or land, in both the cases you will observe rate will increase, value will increase after certain years. So, we have formula here to find out the measure of value after certain year. If V naught, we will take the present measure of value, V is the measure of value after n year, n is here number of year and R is the rate of growth. Then we can find out the measure of value after n year with this formula. V is equal to V naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. This formula we will use when the rate of interest is same for every year. This is the same formula which we used for the compound interest, but in place of here amount we have the final value, in place of principal we have the initial value V naught. Remaining things are same. If the rate of interest is different for different year, then we can use this formula. We can split out into the different brackets. The next thing we have depreciation. Depreciations means when the value will decrease with time. So, if we purchase any vehicle, so we will observe after certain year the value of that vehicle will decrease slowly. If you want to sell the vehicle after 5 year or after 10 year, then you cannot sell at the same price, value will decrease. Decrease of value in 1 year we will call rate of depreciations. Here we have the same formula, only in place of plus we will be having minus symbol. With the help of these two formulas we will do the problems in this exercise. So, first we will start exercise 2.3, question number 1. The present population of a town is 2 lakh. Its population increased by 10% in the first year and 15% in the second year. Find the population of the town at the end of 2 years. So, initial population here it is given, which we will represent with the V naught, is given 2 lakh. Rate of interest for first year it is given 10%, rate of interest for second year it is given 15%. Because here increase is there, means growth formula we will use. V is equal to V naught 1 plus R1 by 100, 1 plus R2 by 100. Because we have 2 year growth here, first year and second year, and both the year is having different rate of interest, so we will use this formula. Now substitute values here, 2 lakh 1 plus 10 by 100 and 1 plus 15 by 100. So, this when we will take LCM and solve, it will come 110 by 100 and here 115 by 100. 2 zeros we can cancel from here and 2 more zeros we can cancel from here. Remaining numbers we have to multiply. After multiplication we will get 2,53,000. So, 2,53,000 will be the population at the end of 2 year. Next question number 2. Present population of a town is 15,625. If the population increases at the rate of 4% every year, what will be the increase in the population in next 3 years? So, present population is given 15,625, V naught is 15,625. Rate of interest is same for every year here 4% and time is given for 3 years. So, population after 3 year will be V is equal to V naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. So, 15,625 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 3. This with 4 we can cancel, 25 we will get, and after taking LCM 26 by 25 to the power 3. We can expand it or we can multiply. We can write it as 26 into 26 into 26 divided by 25 into 25 into 25. can cancel 25, 625 times it will go, then again 25 times, and this 25 also we can cancel, and after multiplication we will get 17,576 will be the population after 3 years. But in question they ask what will be the increase in the population, means we have to find out here how much it has increased. Therefore, increased in population is equal to population after 3 years minus initial population 15,625, and after subtraction we will get 1951. Next question number 3, the population of a city increases each year by 4% of what it had been at the beginning of the year if its present population is 676,000. Find the its population 2 year hence its population 2 year ago. So here two condition is given, one is hence means for future we have to find out after 2 year, and this is before 2 year. So in such a type of questions when it is for future, first it is given when we have to find out the future. This is the present condition and you have to find out after 2 year for the future. In this case this present one we will take as the V naught and this future one we will take as the V. So V naught is given here 67640, rate of growth is given 4% and time is given 2 years. Now we will find out V after 2 years. So V is equal to V naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Substitute values here, 67640, 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 2. This you can cancel, it will go 25 times, and then 67640 26 by 25 to the power 2. You can multiply or you can expand, calculation you can do according to your wish. So 26 square will be 676 and 25 square will be 625. You can cancel with 5 table and after cancellation you will get 10816, and after multiplication these two number you will get 7311616. So this will be the population after 2 years. Now in second part we have to find out the population 2 years ago, means in past we have to find out. So for past questions this is the past and from present you have to start. You have to go 2 years back. So here this past we will take as the initial and present we will take as the V. Only this much difference is there in these type of questions. So be careful, the given value you have to take as V naught or as V. So first part when we have to find out for the future we have taken this value as the present value, but for the second one when we have to find out for the past, in this case we will take it as the V. So V is given 67640, rate of interest again it is 4%, time is 2 years. So V is equal to V naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. V is given 67640 equal to V naught 1 plus 4 by 100 to the power 2. You can write it like this also, with 4 first cancel out and it will become 26 by 25 to the power 2 V naught is equal to 676 and 4 zeros after that. This you can write 676 by 625 equal to 676 and 4 zeros. You can shift another side, so V naught will be 67640 into 625 by 676. So this 676 you can cancel out and here you will get 10,000 and multiply after this 625 and 4 zeros. This was the population before 2 years. Next question number 4. The cost of a refrigerator is 9,000. Its value depreciates at the rate of 5% every year. Find the total depreciation in its value at the end of 2 years. So, initial value is given 9,000 rupees. We have to find out after 2 years, and rate of depreciation is given 5%. We will use here formula V is equal to V naught 1 minus R by 100 to the power n. Because here depreciation is there, so minus symbol will come. Substitute values 9,000 1 minus 5 by 100 to the power 2. After taking LCM, you will get here, you can cancel out 5 1 ja and 5 20 ja, 20 minus 1 19 by 20 to the power 2. So, 19 square is 361 and 20 square is 400. Cancel out 2 zeros, 2 2 ja and 2 45 times. You can multiply. After multiplication, we will get 16245 divided by 2 and divide it. Here value we will get 8,122 rupees 50 paise. So, this will be the value after 2 years, and we have to find out here the total depreciation. So, therefore, depreciation after 2 years will be, starting it was 9,000 values and it has become 8,122 rupees 50 paise after 2 years. So, depreciation is here 877 rupees 50 paise. Next question number 5. Dinesh purchased a scooter for 24,000 rupees. The value of the scooter is depreciating at the rate of 5% every year. Calculate its value after 3 years. So, present value is given 24,000, rate of depreciation 5%, time it is 3 years. We have to find out after 3 year value. So, because here depreciation is there, so minus symbol will come. Substitute values here 24,000 1 minus 5 by 100 to the power 3. Cancel out 5 1 ja and 5 20. Take LCM, and after taking LCM, you will get here 19 by 20 to the power 3. 19 cube will be 6859 and 20 cube will be 8,000. Can cancel out 3 zeros directly, 8 3 ja 24, and you can multiply this. After multiplication, we will get 20,577 rupees. It means the value of this scooter after 3 years will be 20,577 rupees. Next question number 6. A farmer increases his output of wheat in his farm every year by 8%. This year he produced 2187 quintals of wheat. What was the yearly produce of wheat 2 years ago? So, this question also is based on the past. We have to go for in the past and then check there. So, when this type of questions are there, this past you have to take as the initial point and the present you have to take as the final. So, present value is given means V is given now 2187, rate of growth is 8%, time 2 years. And because here growth is there, increase is there, so we will use here plus formula. V is equal to V naught 1 plus R by 100 to the power n. Substitute values here, 2187 is equal to V naught 1 plus 8 by 100 to the power 2. 4 2 ja and 4 25 times it will go. After taking LCM, we will get 27 by 25 to the power 2. We can write it like this also, V naught 27 by 25 to the power 2 is equal to 2187. So, V naught is equal to 2187. Shift this 25 by 27 on the other side, it will reciprocal. Cancel out with 3 table, 3 9 ja, 3 7 2 and 9. Again 3 9 ja and 3 2 4 and 3, then 9 27 times and 9 3 times, and these number you can multiply. After multiplication we will get 1875 quintal. Next, question number 7. The value of a property decrease every year at the rate of 5% if its present value is 411540. What was its value 3 years ago? So this is also similar type of question. You have to find out the value in the past. So past we have to take as the V0 and present we have to take as V. It means V is given here, this value is V, rate of depreciation is 5%, time is 3 years. So we will use here minus formula because depreciation is there. Substitute values now in formula. 411540 equal to V0, 1 minus 5 by 100 to the power 3. 5 1 and 20 times it will cancel out. Take LCM and simplify, then we'll get 19 by 20 to the power 3, which we can write as V0 19 by 20 to the power 3 equal to 411540. Shift this value another side and reciprocal it. We can write it as 20 by 19 into 20 by 19 into 20 by 19. Cancel out with 19 table. First it will go 21660 times, then again it will go 1140 times, and then it will go 60 times. Multiply remaining numbers. This we will get 44,80,000. So this will be the this was the value 3 years ago. So in this video we will do till here. Remaining questions we will continue in the next video. Thank you for watching this video.